So if you like to pull your hair out while you are still on gele or any hair wrap, let me show you this in case you might want to try it. So it's very simple, guys. Just grab your material into equal parts, split down like this. Take note, you need rubber band and you need office pen. This material is 3 layers joined. So after making that pleat down, make sure that one part is 30 and the other is 70. So you roll the 30 round the 70 part and secure the excess. So the other part, that is the longer part, will work with it. Just put everything down like this, and when you are done pleating down, then you need your elastic band to fold it and grab it together. So when you grab like this, you're going to use your elastic band to firm it up, and once you are done with the securing, like using the elastic band to secure it, then it is time for you to work with that flap in the side part. Just stretch it sideways, fold it in, stretch it, arrange it well, and use your office pin to pin it down. Guys, don't forget to share my videos, give it a thumbs up, and leave your comment in the comment section. Okay, after pinning down that part, then you come to this pleated part, dip your hand in the hole and stretch it out. So you take one edge down and pin it down as well. Now we are going to grab the both part up at the center and use office pin to secure it. Once you are done with securing with office pin, it will mean your hand to adjust it. Just use your hand to walk through by pressing down, pressing up. You see it will show where you're supposed to touch, so press it down and get them well arranged. So here is it. If you don't want something high like this, you can bend it down at the top to give you this, and you can use your broom to cover the elastic band if it's showing and you want to. So here is the look, and finally I put my hair out. So see you guys.